Taipei 101, once the world's tallest building, stands as an engineering marvel in the heart of Taiwan. Built to endure fierce typhoons and powerful earthquakes, its construction required innovative solutions. Engineers drove 380 piles 80 meters deep to anchor the foundation, while the building's flexible steel structure allows it to sway safely in high winds. The most famous feature is its 660-ton tuned mass damper, a giant pendulum near the top that counteracts sway from wind and tremors. Completed in 2004, Taipei 101 remains a symbol of resilience and ingenuity.